It's a new year, and we're bringing it in with a bang. A new island is ready for your landing, and Karakin is not forgiving. You'll need to employ new tactics and strategies if you want to survive. Vikendi will be rotating out to make room for Karakin, but don't worry, Vikendi will be back in the future. All of this and so much more is here in Season 6 of PUBG. Welcome to Karakin, a 2x2 island off the northern coast of Africa. The island's octopus fishing industry has all but vanished, but most people know that the real economy of the island was its lucrative smuggling operation. Even the local textile factory acted as a front for these underworld and underground deeds. The remains of the tunnels are scattered across the island and make for intense new scenarios for those who learn their pathways. The latest battleground is a beast of a different breed, rising from the sea. Buildings on the island have visible weak points where players can use the new sticky bomb to breach walls and catch their enemies unawares. Stay alert to the types of walls you're taking cover behind as well, since some unfinished walls can be penetrated by gunfire. This island also inverts the idea of danger zones with the introduction of the Black Zone, a strategic missile strike that completely lays waste to buildings it targets, along with any campers that might be hanging out inside. Buildings on Karakin are still viable cover. Just be sure to spend some quality time outside when you hear those sirens start to blast. In addition to all these changes and additions, we're also happy to report several quality of life improvements, including minor sound improvements and new integrations of your PUBG ID into post-match reporting and while you watch your death cam or spectate. Players can also go inside the story of Karakin with Survivor Pass Shakedown. The mysterious operators of the battlegrounds continue to grow their operation, but to what end? Complete over 400 missions and challenges throughout the Survivor Pass to unlock the skins of the movers and shakers in the fight for control of Karakin. You can find the Survivor Pass under the Pass tab on the navigation bar of the lobby. Stay tuned as we reveal more of the legend behind the island in a new series of PUBG motion comics unlocked throughout the season. While there's lots happening on Karakin, we wanted to make sure that you didn't miss that the Motor Glider, of PUBG Lab's fame, was added to live servers for Miramar and Erangel last update. The Motor Glider can transport you and a squad mate in the air and get you perspective on where the action is on the map. To take off, first you'll need to fuel the glider. Then you'll want to get the speed up to 70 kilometers an hour. And once you're moving, you can use the sticky throttle to lock in your forward acceleration. Be careful around the rotor, or you'll learn who wins the face-off between your face and a mower. Several changes to keep in mind is that there are now 40 places the glider can spawn, but only 10 will spawn in a given match. To add a bit more challenge to the experience, you're going to need to fuel it yourself before you can fly anywhere. Season 6 is upon us, and Karakin is here. The battle for this small island is going to be explosive. So squad up, drop in, and throw down.